Welcome, guys, man. 1 year?
Yes, 1 year
One
since
year.
Lamich's sister has started, right?
Well, a couple more days left,
but
call it,
it soon be a year.
Right.
Right.
And we just want to say thank you guys for treading the journey with us. We appreciate you guys so much.
Yes. And yes, we know we have not been posting as we should. You know, this year got the this year got the better of us.
True.
In terms of schoolwork and everything, you know.
School was very hectic. Very hectic. We did have one more plan, but just the time. We just never
the time.
And then sometimes we
and we did right here.
yeah.
All over the place.
Right. So we just never get to put out as we wish, but we just come here for those kind of we can look at one video.
And recap you on
yes.
here.
So guys, remember we just start. We just start.
Yes, the journey. We got a good reception. I tell you. Yes.
It was kind of nerve-wracking at first. I was like, oh my god. Alright, we're gonna start. Alright, what we gonna start? What we have to do? Why this video? Why topic? What we gonna say? Them flyer love me, no man. No sir. Anyway, so yeah, and you know we do we thing. We try to be consistent. We put no videos every Sunday
week.
Right. Yeah, we this Lamich sister on yeah. But the year is winding down. And you know, much has happened in the December.
Oh my, we wanted to give you guys a
video, but
it was so busy and hectic. But we have little snippets to show you guys. So you know, we have a little, not much. We wish we could do more, and the whole of things is happening, man. We wish we could do more. It just turn it along, you know. But we're gonna give you a little, you know.
Yeah.
Right. We even did a fruitcake video, but we say no make necessary put it down.
No, because
but we're gonna put in some little videos of that.
Right.
So you go see it, you understand? Right.
Guys, we want to wish you a belated Christmas.
Oh my god. We didn't even tell you Merry Christmas.
Right. Don't see it.
That not sound really good, don't you? But it's as what them say, it's never too late for a shower rain. So guess what? Merry belated Christmas.
Merry belated Christmas, Lamich crew.
Right. We're still here and we're wishing you a prosperous new year when it comes here. Notice how we do this thing early. We'll make sure wishing you a nice new year.
Because guess what? I wish you guys all the best in the upcoming year.
Right.
We should have prosperity, long life, and
happiness,
joy,
and that all that you want for the next year come true. You understand? So we are wishing you all the best.
Right. We have
for the new year.
All of the OGs, them as a comment, you know. Yeah. All of them as a comment. We can name Shanoy.
Yes.
We have a lot of them, you know. A lot. Latoya, you always
Miss White.
Right.
You know, if you forget your name, please don't crucify with it. We are wishing you all the best. And we are big enough all the time. On a never dull moment, always commenting, always giving us your support, you know. We really appreciate that.
Yes. And even Odin always a comment. Latoya. Yes. Sanji. You can
name them. You can name them.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And even big up to this subscriber that says he did have to watch back with Axel.
Yes.
We barbecue pizza video because they say I forgot on the Sunday dinner plate. You mean the Christmas dinner?
Yes.
Sorry, the Christmas dinner
plate
menu and the plate.
Right.
So big up to you. Them have to rewatch it because they want this to be on them Christmas dinner
menu.
Right.
Yes.
We
put one. So some of the names that we're going to call that always are coming. You have Nikisha Campbell, Shaq, Omarion, Tajera, Lance. Let me see who else now we are upon. There's we already said Alexia White. Alexia White, you know.
Yeah, man.
Always are coming.
Always are coming.
Always are coming, man. Always are coming.
I don't want to pick up my auntie. Auntie Yvette. She always says she can't wait to come to Jamaica to eat my barbecue pit there. She said, as we come to Jamaica, I need to come to your house. I have to eat some of the barbecue pit there. So pick her up. Pick her up.
And even Mr. Hall, you know, and Tonya Hall.
Yes.
Why? There's a lot, but then die first when we can't see right now.
Right. So if you hear your name, please
don't come for us.
Don't come for us.
Thank you again, guys.
Yeah.
Being there when the video drop, come on, like, comment.
Yeah.
Really. So, first thing first, we're going to insert and show you the Christmas fruit cake and sorry cake, guys, because we make a new sorry cake too, you know.
Yes, and the first time I make it.
Right, first time I make it. So
we wanted to see what the excitement was about. Fruit cake, you know. You understand? So we can show you how we do that. The fruit cake and the sorry cake in one.
So guys, we mix up the butter and the sugar together. So I that one right about now. Sorry we never shown up, but yeah, we mix it up, and this is it. Now we're going to crack the eggs, and Michelle did already portion out the flour, and she put nutmeg and Michelle, what am I putting that flour again? Cinnamon. Mixed spice.
And baking powder.
Right. All them something there in this.
So we're going to add the eggs. So a little at a time.
To the butter.
To the butter sugar mixture.
This is when the sorrel is cooked and blend and everything. I eat this. It look rich and nice. Alright, ready. We're going to add a 6 cups of flour. Okay. Because you know it's 2. Right. So the reason why we use the same mixer is because we're going to add raisins into the same batter. So hence why we didn't wash it off. Yeah. And now we're gonna add some of the sorrel mixture into the batter.
Yeah.
Right. So. Look at this color, guys.
Food coloring.
No.
The color we're working with.
Yes, because it's nice. We don't need no food coloring. Then we're gonna add some of the raisins. So guys, this is it, you know. I eat this, you know. So now we're going to pour out the mixture in the cake thing and put them in the oven. But them go and bake. You understand? Alright, so guys, this is the finished product. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, so can I sell it, Michelle?
Of course.
Can I sell it, you know?
Yeah.
Can I sell it?
Then the big bag, the big bad day arrive.
Yes.
Which was Christmas.
Man, Christmas, we wanted to give you a full-on experience. God knows we wanted to, but guess what? I was busy. We were busy
From the night
kitchen,
before.
From the night before.
Because we did a big.
We did a big. Come we did a little. Kind of.
From the
I am
night
so
before.
sorry we didn't get a chance to show you guys our Christmas preparation.
Right. Because we look about a lot of stuff.
Because we had a Christmas dinner with a family.
Yes,
So,
and we did a little pixie.
Yeah, and we did exchange of gifts.
Right.
So you know
that was
lovely.
something to look forward to with the family, and we bought a lot of things with our ham, with jerk chicken,
baked chicken,
fried
roast
chicken,
pork, fried chicken, curry goat, baked mac and cheese, soup, and you know vegetable after the mashed potato.
We look for
sorrel,
a lot of stuff.
Sorrel wine.
A lot
I'm gonna
of
show
stuff.
you guys how to make sorrel wine.
Right.
I have to show you how to make sorrel wine. And we trust and believe that when you make this sorrel wine, you cannot do any operate any heavy machinery because so you can even get charged for drinking and driving. This is very strong. I'm going to show you how to make sorrel wine.
Right.
Yeah, that you know, so next Christmas, you have it.
Right.
Alright, that's if we have Christmas, we cannot be no because we know that sorrel is still around, so we can still make it.
And wine.
Yeah,
What
wine
else
and
they
wine.
make you stay for?
21 days.
Then they make you stay for
21 days.
I'm tell you, say you need no rum when you
No wine, no rum, nothing. You
Whoa.
will get very intoxicated.
Whoa.
Worried, you'll get.
Whoa.
No, trust me, you know, sir. From Michelle, I tell you this. It will happen.
Right.
Yeah.
So, we're going to insert a little video of our kitchen is here.
Right.
While we
In the Christmas.
and when everybody that devour the food.
Right.
Good morning, guys. You know today is Christmas and we have some lovely soup to start it off. You know, you have to bust local gas if you have local gas to make sure you make space for the main course. You understand? Over here, so we're frying some chicken, right? Can do anything, say I have some fried chicken, and that's how 1 pound are going right now. What I do, you know, so they must set up the coal. You understand? You have to make sure that the fire catch. Yes, cause some jerk chicken is gonna prepare. Alright, guys, I don't know, say the kitchen very busy. I said I'm kinda not really sure nothing, but I'm gonna give you an update probably when everything is done. But yeah, just know say our patties are get prepared. Holy patties are get prepared. Christmas a come. Oh no, Christmas reach. Christmas reach.
Wally.
And another one is there.
Hey.
Yeah, when you're nice, I say your voice.
When me nice.
I tell you. And a pearl.
Aww.
Thank you.
That's so nice.
I want to wish you a happy new year
Happy New Year!
when it comes.
When it comes, yeah.
Well, we never vote for New Year. So
Yeah.
happy New Year, guys.
Yes.
Right?
Happy New Year.
brings you joy,
happiness,
prosperity,
laughter,
love,
oh,
peace.
No.
I'm ready for matching.
Yes, and
So guys, big up on yourself.
yes, big up on yourself, and thank you for watching our video. You know, this is the end. Yes, we're going to try to be more consistent.
Right.
So stay tuned for more Lamich sisters.
And always remember to do the
Right thing.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.